Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Have you ever wondered how to bring the enchanting world of Ghibli-style art to life in animated videos? In today's video, we'll explore exactly that, turning Ghibli-style images into magical animated videos. So let's dive in! Introduction to Ghibli-style. Studio Ghibli is renowned for its breathtaking artwork and captivating storytelling. The distinctive Ghibli style is characterized by its rich colors, fluid animation, and fantastical landscapes. Tools and software needed. To create Ghibli-style animated videos, you'll need animation software such as Blender for 3D animation, Adobe After Effects for compositing, and Toon Boom Harmony for traditional 2D animation. Transforming images into animated assets. Start by importing your Ghibli-style artwork into your chosen animation software. Use layers and keyframes to animate characters, add subtle movements to backgrounds, and create that magical Ghibli effect. Adding atmospheric effects. Ghibli films are known for their atmospheric effects that amplify emotion and atmosphere. Experiment with lighting changes, particle effects, and soft focus to bring your scenes to life. Sound design and music. Sound design is crucial in creating a Ghibli-style ambiance. Layer ambient sounds, add whimsical melodies, and integrate subtle sound effects to immerse viewers in your animated world. Conclusion. There you go. Now you have the tools and techniques to turn Ghibli-style images into magical animated videos. With practice and creativity, you can transport audiences to enchanting worlds inspired by Studio Ghibli.